cropping pattern in India. In this module, you will learn about the different patterns followed in growing different crops in India. India is known as the land of diversity. It exhibits diversity in its physical features, culture, languages, and food habits of people. The same diversity is seen in its agricultural practices and cropping patterns as well. Farmers in India grow a wide variety of crops in their fields. It includes food and fiber crops, vegetables, fruits, spices and condiments, and many more. In India, cultivation is done in 3 different seasons. Rabi crops are grown in winter and harvested in summer. On the other hand, Kharif crops are cultivated with the onset of monsoon and harvested in winter. After Rabi season and before Kharif, there exists a small cropping season in summer which is known as Zaid. In India, Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustard. Rabi crops are grown in many parts of India, like in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh. The success of the Rabi crops depends to an extent on the winter precipitation that is received by these regions due to western temperate cyclone. Another factor in the growth of the Rabi crops in Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan is due to the success of green revolution in these areas. Next is the Kharif crops. Kharif crops are grown in different parts of India with the onset of monsoon. The crops are harvested in the month of September to October. Some of the important crops grown during this period are paddy or rice, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, the Konkan coast of Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana are the major rice-growing regions. In Assam, West Bengal, and Orissa, rice cultivation is carried out thrice a year. These 3 crops are known as Os, Aman, and Boro. In between Rabi and Kharif season, a short cropping is carried out in summer, which is known as Zaid season. The harvesting of crops grown during the Zaid season gets over before the onset of monsoon. Crops like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops are cultivated during this season. In this module, you have learned the following. In India, there are 3 different cropping seasons known as Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustard. Rabi crops are grown in many parts of India, like in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh. Kharif crops are grown in different parts of India with the onset of monsoon and are harvested in the month of September to October. Some of the important crops grown during Kharif season are paddy or rice, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. Assam, West Bengal, and Orissa are some of the important rice-growing regions in India. In between Rabi and Kharif season, a short cropping is carried out in summer, which is known as Zaid season. Crops like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops are cultivated during Zaid season.